Well, there's a lot of politics also playing out in India amid the pandemic. The AAP government versus the centre war rages on, this time over Arvind Kejriwal and his remark that a Singapore variant may affect kids in the third wave. This comes after the Singapore health minister gave a stinging reply to Kejriwal, saying the politicians should stick to facts and that there's no Singapore variant.
Be able to do a little bit of that, but I think it is.
This tweet by Arvind Kejriwal referring to a Singapore strain has now snowballed into a massive controversy. Kejriwal, intentionally or unintentionally, has triggered a diplomatic showdown after the Singapore government took serious offence to his tweet. The Delhi Chief Minister was referring to a mutant strain reported in Singapore which affects kids more. But the Singapore government has hit back, saying that this strain hasn't originated in their country. The Singapore government's angry reaction prompted damage control by the Ministry of External Affairs, with Minister Jaishankar setting the record straight that Kejriwal's tweet doesn't reflect India's stand and reiterated that the government believes there is no Singapore strain of coronavirus. BJP also lashed out at Arvind Kejriwal over his faux pas.
Mr. Kejriwal has once again embarrassed himself, and he has been severely rebuked by many Singaporean leaders for making such baseless comments. Now, during a pandemic, one should be focused on doing work instead of spreading disinformation like this.
The Aam Aadmi Party is, however, defiant, saying that they only care about India's children, while Centre only cares about its image and optics.
मुद्दा सिंगापुर नहीं है, मुद्दा हमारे बच्चे हैं। आप सिंगापुर को मुद्दा बनाना चाहते हैं, हम बच्चों की चिंता कर रहे हैं। आप सिंगापुर पे राजनीति करना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं हाथ जोड़ के हमारे बच्चों को बचाइए। अगर चारों तरफ से ये बात सुनने को मिल रही है कि अगले स्ट्रेन में, अगली वेव में हमारे बच्चों को खतरा है, तो आप उसकी चिंता करिए ना, उस पे अलर्ट रहिए ना, उस पे तत्परता दिखाइए ना।
The political fight rages on even as the central government firefights the diplomatic ramifications
We may be able
of
to
Arvind Kejriwal's
that,
tweet.
but I think it is a cost which we are willing to pay.
With Geeta Mohan in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.